Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Made with Love video. Today I have a really romantic box card for you. This is my Love You box card. How sweet is this card? You have the couple there in the middle, some fun foliage in the background, that great big heart and some flowers in the front. It folds relatively flat for mailing, and there's a big spot on the back for your message. I include an envelope as well. Now this card, I have 3 different versions, one for straight couples, one for gay couples, and one for lesbian couples. Now all 3 of those are going to be located within the download. For this tutorial, I will be using the straight couple version that I just showed you. This one is really fun to put together and definitely customizable, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This file is part of Made with Love 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in access to all 12 event files, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing, you can find out more information about the VIP Access Pass for Made with Love 2026 in the description box below. No matter how you download the file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Now I do have 3 different versions of this card. I'm going to be using the straight couple for this tutorial. Click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers. Highlight this top layer. Come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the outside box piece. And the inside tab piece. Once you've converted the score lines for the envelope, the outside box piece, and the inside tab piece, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish along the score lines for the outside box piece. Just like so. I'll set that to the side. Now let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. Let's flip the box piece over and attach the messaging panel to the back. And we can set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer the inside tab piece. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these together, but from back to front you're going to start with the tab piece, then the darker brown or black, darker purple, and lighter purple. First I'm going to fold and burnish the tabs on the inside tab piece, and then I will layer everything together and show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our inside tab piece. I'm going to set that to the side so we can go ahead and dry. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer the front cover panel. Again, refer to that layering guide, but from back to front you're going to start with red, white, and then light blue. Now let's take our outside box piece and our inside tab piece, add glue to this left tab, flip it over and attach it to this left side here on the outside box piece, making sure to line up the score lines and the bottom edges. And now I will do that for the right side. Add glue to this front left tab and attach the left side of the front cover panel. And repeat for the other side. And then attach the other side, and that'll close up the box. And there is our card. I'm going to set that to the side so everything can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. And glue on the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring the side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our box card is all set. What did you think of this one? I really think that if you change up the color of the clothes, the hair, the skin tone, it definitely can be made into any kind of card. It doesn't scream Valentine's, which I really love, so it's definitely versatile as well. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I've got a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Made with Love video. Bye-bye.